Hello everyone, good morning. So finally one of the very good news for South Indian aspirants, right? I've been thinking about it since many months, in fact many years, right? Finally, I'm supposed to start doing something for South Indian students as well, and one of the also great news is there. What I'm going to share right now is I'm supposed to collaborate with RK Electrical Grid. Okay, he's my very close colleague. Okay, we have been working since 1 year, right? And he's doing amazingly great for electrical engineers for Tamil Nadu. Okay, and so he was trying to convince me, since couple of months, and I was thinking how I should plan, okay, for electronics and communication aspirants, okay, because there is a dire need of great guidance for everyone at a low cost, okay, because you might have seen across the country, the fee is very high, and at the end of the day when you appear in the gate examination, right, and you're not able to qualify it, so you regret it that you have spent hell lot of amount, right? So in our case what we are supposed to do here is I'm coming from North India, and I'm gonna guide for South Indian students, right? Because I have spent most of the time in Hyderabad, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, and everywhere, right? uh, so let me check. Yeah, yeah, everything is fine. So let me check the comment as well. If you have any comment, you can write. But you can subscribe the YouTube channel which I'm sharing. Okay, I have tagged already that. I have written the tagline over there that it is one of the great news for South Indian students, right, who are preparing for GATE exam and they are in dire need of getting prepared for GATE, okay, in 5 to 6 months. So as you know that I basically guide for VLSI design, I guide for electronics and communication aspirants, and I guide for computer science as well. So I'm very soon supposed to start computer science as well on this YouTube channel, okay? Or else I will create one new YouTube channel where I will separate, will be providing the content on computer science, the subject like discrete mathematics, okay, and data structure, algorithms, C programmings, and all those subjects, right? All those steps. This is one of the very good news, okay. It's been around 7 to 8 years I have spent most of the time in these places, okay, though I have been across India in all the states, right, and I have gone there and I've taught, okay. Now it's the time where I'm going to guide personally for, in fact, one-to-one guidance will be given, okay. You don't have to have any kind of you don't have to have to spend spend big amount on this, okay. There would be some nominal charge, okay, if we would be planning to expand everything, right, but I'm gonna guide, okay, and my session would be completely in English. So after independence, okay, after 75th independence, uh, yesterday only we planned about this initiative, but today I'm revealing, right? In fact, when I was, yeah, so let me check my video. Yeah, everything is fine, right? So the thing is, I'm collaborating with, RK Electrical Grid. His name is RK, okay? He's amazing in electrical engineering, okay? And so what he is supposed to do, he would be taking care of the common part of electronics and communication and electrical engineering, and I will be focusing on core subject, okay, such as electronic devices. As you know, my expertise, the area of expertise, electronic devices, okay. So, and you also are familiar with the way I teach for these core subjects for electronics and communication. Okay, so you will not get lost in mathematics at first, right? Suppose I am explaining any concept on devices. So I will be taking the help of energy band diagram, and I'm gonna explain everything, right? You don't have to get lost in maths, okay? Uh, Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, I'm supposed to upload some of the demo video on this YouTube channel where you can really judge the content. So this is one of the great initiative for South Indian students. Okay, as well as the North Indian aspirant also can get benefited who understand English, right? Who are comfortable, because I think beyond gate, okay, beyond gate, once you will get qualified in the gate examination, once you will land in IITs or land in any public sector or any tech job, okay, so there the communication would be in English only, right? So you need to also make yourself comfortable. So um, this is not a surprise, I can say. We have been planning since many days. Finally we have come up with the solution, okay, that I'm going to collaborate, okay, with RK Electrical Grid. His passion, okay, he's one of the passionate teacher I have seen from south, okay. And he has been guiding in his own mother tongue language. He has been guiding in Tamil, okay. uh, but in my case, as far as my mother tongue is concerned, I'm gonna, you know uh, basically I can talk in Hindi basically, right? But for the South Indian, they, as they understand English, so I'm gonna teach all this subject, all the content in English, right? And the English would be very basic in nature so that everyone can understand. This is for electronics and communication, and as days progresses, I'm also going to start for computer science, okay. So my main objective is to cater electronics and communication and computer science aspirants, because it's been around 6 to 7 years I've been exploring into these couple of branches. Okay, I've been guiding for electronics and communication aspirants. I've been guiding for electrical engineering. I've been guiding for instrumentation. Okay, and I have been guiding for computer science. So these are the four major branch which I like to guide. Okay, and I have helped many aspirant who have got into big MNCs in their core area, such as analog, okay, in digital, okay, in computer science, okay, nowadays, you might have heard about data science and machine learning. So yes, I'm supposed to start all those things. So from this YouTube channel, now the ECE content will be delivered, okay, and in his content, he's taking care of electrical engineering. So but from this YouTube channel, you have to come to this YouTube channel and subscribe, okay. If you're from places like Hyderabad, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, right? Any place you belong from, after all, if you reside in South India, you can subscribe, or if you're from Northeast as well, because I'm planning to bring some of the initiative for Northeast student as well, because I have spent most of the time in Seven Sisters of Northeast, okay. So for them also I'm gonna bring initiative, but still they can subscribe this YouTube channel if they are thinking about making their career in electronics, in semiconductor, okay, in computer science. So they can subscribe this YouTube channel, right? So our plan will be that the content would be completely concise in nature, okay, and the one-to-one guidance will be given, okay, and wonderful question will be given to test you where you are standing, okay. So after each class you will get some assignments, right? And I would make sure that you would not need to in fact mug up any concepts, right? Because I'm going to teach you in such a way that everything would be, crystal clear. And I can guarantee for four subject, okay, including maths. uh yeah. Hi Kumud. Yes, so how are you? How was your independence, 75th independence? So yeah, so there are many things which I'm going to cater for South Indian students, and this is one of the great news for everyone, that I'm gonna collaborate. So I have also tagged his YouTube channel. So you can subscribe to his YouTube channel if you're from electrical engineering. Great, great. Okay. So I hope you are doing well and everything is going well, right? So, okay, guys. So these are the information which I was supposed to share yesterday only, but one day it took because the collaboration is going on. So there is lot of conversation, uh, in converse, despite we are colleague, but as far as this collaboration is concerned, we are from two different branches. He's from electrical engineering and I'm from electronics and communication. So we both have worked, together for 1 year, and in fact, I have rich experience, guiding for GATE and ESE, and I have been across the country in all the colleges. Okay, I will show you also what are the colleges I have been. Okay, in meanwhile, okay, I have been to Guwahati University, where I dealt subject like devices, analog circuit. There are many aspirants, okay, they were quite excited to learn all these things. And I have also been to Jammu Kashmir, I have been to Himachal, I have been to Pathankot. No matter any state or any district you recall, okay, I have been there, right? So after all, I'm now supposed to collaborate with South Indian, for South Indian students. Okay, so I will be training for devices, I will be training for analog, I will be training for communication, because you guys are facing a lot of problem in these four subjects, right? And my colleague, my friend, he's going to guide for electrical engineering, okay, the common part, such as network theory, okay, and control system. He's good at control, okay. He's master of all the electrical engineering, because he has been guiding for electrical aspirant in Tamil Nadu, okay. So in the collaboration, what we have done here is I will be guiding from my YouTube channel for electronics and communication. He would be guiding from his YouTube channel. So there would be one-to-one collaboration. So he's supposed to release the introduction video of mine on his YouTube channel very soon. I have given to him who am I, okay, and what I have been doing since past 7 years. And in this YouTube channel, everyone knows about me that I guide for electronics and communication and computer science. So these are the information which I wanted to share, right? So please do share these sessions among everyone, okay? And within 1 year, that I can make you sure that you will get complete content on the playlist, okay? Complete content on the playlist of this YouTube channel, right? For electronics and communication, and meanwhile you will also get for computer science, okay. And as far as the RK electrical grid is concerned, he would be giving you the content on electrical engineering. So at very low price, okay. Initially everything like some demos are there, what you can watch already I have given, okay, though they are in Hindi. Sometimes I talk in English. When during pandemic, I was teaching in Hindi because I was at my hometown. Now I am in Bangalore, so I will be completely guiding in English, right? Don't worry at all. So I will be helping you to master mathematics, I will be helping you to master the basic needs, okay. See, food, cloth, shelter is the basic need, but in our case, as we are electronics and communication engineer, so our basic need is to train ourselves for devices, for communication, for analog, for electromagnetic. You might have seen. See, the major mistake what you do is you consume content passively, right? You watch many YouTube channels, okay, the garbage content, right? They are teaching devices and or analog circuit. They are taking suppose any question is given and they are drawing big picture and they are applying KVL KCL. At that point of time you lose your intuition, okay? you're not able to understand how to think about that question, right? So given a question, you must be able to, you must be able to what? You must be able to think about it first. Okay. Don't directly start applying KCL, KVL, Ohm's law, getting lost into maths. Okay. The moment you see the question, because I have analyzed 2022 paper, there was very great question, application based question was given. One question was given, there was a relaxation oscillator and you have to find the difference between maximum and minimum of voltage across the capacitance, right? So that was the application, okay, that generates relaxation oscillator generates what? The square wave. It's a square wave generator, right? It was very simple question. Diode was, diode were connected. So all those things were there, right? So I'm going to bring those questions as well, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? I will be bringing good content. I've been promising since many days that I'm gonna start devices. Yes, 100% I will be starting. And whatever I will say, if you will follow honestly, you would be able to crack your exam, and you would make okay. And I will also bring some of the realistic thing. Okay, reality. When we are graduated, yeah, when we are graduated, you know, at that point of time, what we think is. We don't have any option, we are not able to decide, we are not able to make decision, right? That what we must do so that our career will be amazing, right? So as the time progresses, we start understanding, okay, this is what we must have done so that we should not regret, okay? So because in my case I have been, I haven't done what I was supposed to do, okay? So I would be sharing all those instance, all those examples and situations, right? So that you could make your eye open and learn, right? And don't focus on these things like basic gates, okay? If someone is discussing about basic gates, okay? Someone is discussing about support differential equation is given, you have to find the transfer function, okay? These things you know already, okay? If you will go through once, you will understand, okay? Given a differential equation, how to find the transfer function, okay? By taking the Laplace transform. Focus on the concept, subject, like topic, like like in digital I have told you, finite state machine, okay? Focus on delay in combination circuit, focus on delay in sequential circuits, learn about what is setup time, what is these STA, static timing analysis, right? How to find duty cycle, all those things. So okay guys, so we will meet in the next session. So do subscribe this YouTube channel. This is what I wanted to share via this YouTube channel. And I will be creating a separate YouTube channel for computer science by Dheeraj, okay? So that would be one of the great channel where you all the computer science aspirant will be there, okay? So I will be guiding for gate subject like programming, data structure, okay, algorithm, DA, okay, DAA, and the design analysis and algorithm, and compiler design. Very soon, Kumud, very soon for computer science, right? Don't worry about it. So I will be starting very soon, and I will share the link, okay? And discrete mathematics will be the first session because that is the basic, okay, thing one must know, okay? Before you get into computer science subjects, so you must be good at discrete maths, right? So, over the 7 year, I have learned entire computer science I have learned for electronics and communication is, it was my core, right? But as far as the need was concerned, necessity is the mother of invention. If you want something, if you have need of something, if you are in dire need of something, you would learn certainly at some point of time. So late is better than never. But yeah, I'm gonna start for computer science, and I will be completely centric to gate. Okay. So I will be also talking about dynamic programmings and everything, recursion. So first of all, discrete mathematics, then C programming. So I will show you the reality behind C programming, why many students, why many aspirants fail to understand those things. So it will take couple of weeks to digest, yeah, but yeah, you would be able to understand, right? So these are the good news. You can, spread among everyone that I and RG electrical grid are supposed to collaborate now, and we are now one. Okay, we have made some, you can say, MOU kind of a thing, right? We have made collaboration. So I will be guiding for electronics and communication. He would be guiding for electrical engineering, and I will be guiding for computer science. He would be purely guiding for electronics and electrical. Let's meet the fresh season. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kumud, for coming live. And okay, you are waiting for computer science, so definitely I'm supposed to start very soon. Thank you.